It is April and we are surviving, not thriving. Still got it. Hey, this is Holly with Slay Math. I'm gonna do some stats 10.2. Okay, this is 10.2 stats. I'm doing number one. So number one, I have put n, which is the biggest number, 229, times 0.91 into 229. So this is 229 times 0.91 times 1 minus 0.91. It literally gives you the formula to use right here. So I'll put that in the calculator. 229. And I get 18.8, round to one decimal place. This is always greater than 10. This is always less than 5%. Can reasonably assume to be random. There's only this answer and then one other answer where it tells you it's random. Those are the only two options. The other ones are bogus. And this is always R. Well done. Okay, so this is all proportions, so we always hit a P. This is always equals on this first one, and then this is the decimal percent, 0.91. P, and then we look into the problem to see what it is. More than, I have them boxed out on the website. More than means greater than 0.91. Well done. So this part, you go to StatCrunch. Go to stats, proportion stats, one sample with summary. Stats, proportion stats, one sample with summary. And then we put the number of success, which is from the problem, 210, times the total, which was 229. P is 0.91. You have to make all this match this one right here. Greater than 0.91. And you hit compute. And then the Z score stat goes here, around the two decimal places, so 0.37. Get in there, 0.37. Fantastic. And then we're going to use the p-value, so do not close that out. So this comes from this table that I'll have. You'll have access to this. So greater than and less than is right-tailed and left-tailed. When it says does not equal to, it's two-tailed. So the less than, left tail and right tail both are positive or negative, and this is positive and negative. So this is just greater than. So we're at the level of significance is up here in the problem right here. 0.1 level of significance. So I go to 0.1 and I go right tail because it's going to the right. Right here, 2.33. 2.33. What did I put wrong? Oh, I don't put it. So 0.1. Let's check it again. Oh, that's 0.01. 0.1. Woo. 0.01 I read. 0.1 is up here. So it's going to be 1.28. Haha. Good catch on myself. 1.28. Nice work. Okay, now here we're going to use this p-value that we had in StatCrunch. The p-value is 0.35. So that is greater than 0.05. It's always 0.05 that we check. It's right here in the problem. Less than 0.05. So this is 0.35. So it's greater than. When it's greater than, this is on the top of the page. When it's greater than, it's not sufficient and you do not reject. So I come over here and I do not reject, and it is insufficient. So do not reject, insufficient. You never do not with sufficient. Those never match. So it's either reject sufficient or do not reject insufficient. Next question. Nice work. All right, we're done. So hope that worked. Make sure to like, share, and follow. Tell a friend.